Which flavor do you want? This is chocolate, this is blueberry, this is cotton candy, this is my favorite. And this is watermelon. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tickle your teeth with this baby tickly brush to make sure your teeth are nice, happy, and healthy. Which color do you like? Well, cotton candy, that's my favorite. And which one would you like? Bubblegum. Wow, you're amazing. Okay, let's go back, Susie, Bougie, and Susie. And let's watch TV. This funny nose makes you feel nice and happy and relaxed so all the monsters can keep sleeping, okay? Don't forget to breathe through your nose. So now, let's start playing together. Do you like Elsa or Anna, one or two? Show me with your fingers, no talking.
Elsa,
Anna.
you love mommy.
Do you love daddy? Give mommy and daddy 2 thumbs up. Your teeth are so beautiful. Are you the best superhero? Do you know how to laugh?
Yeah.